What's up guys, this is Sean Heather and today we are going to do a gaming review of Honor 9X smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. So these are the games we got today here on our Honor 9X. Along with the gaming performance, we will also have a look on the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So right now the battery percentage is 74, battery temperature is 24 and CPU temperature is 24 as well. So now let's play these games and let's see how good it's going to be. So first of all, let's just start with PUBG Mobile. So this is the maximum possible graphics setting for PUBG Mobile on Honor 9X. The graphics is HD and frame rate is high. We cannot select HDR or Ultra HD on Honor 9X while playing PUBG Mobile. And now let's play the game. So pretty good amount of details we are getting here. It's not as good as other high-end smartphones, but it's still lots of detail we are getting here on PUBG Mobile. As you can see, especially if you have a look on the shadow and everything. So it's quite good. It's smooth enough so far. So it seems pretty smooth, no frame drops or lagging is happening. Pretty smooth so far, no frame drops, no lagging. And you can see it's quite good while I am changing the visual angles. And the 3D graphics rendering feels pretty good as well. No frame drops or lagging. So let's go back from here and let's try to play some other game. Let's play Injustice 2. So the audio quality is quite good.
Ready to quit yet?
So there is no frame drops or lagging and the graphics quality seems pretty good for sure. There was a slight frame drop just now.
This.
So everything was pretty smooth while playing Injustice 2 on Honor 9X smartphone. There was one minor frame drop just once. So let's go back from here to PUBG Mobile. And you can see that the game is exactly where I left. And it's a good thing nobody killed me so far. So I'm trying to give you an idea that how good is the memory management of Honor 9X here. So you can see that it's pretty good. We can play two high-end heavy graphics game like PUBG Mobile and Injustice 2 side by side without worrying about the force closing. So I was playing PUBG Mobile, I left the game in the middle, I went to Injustice 2, started playing, played a bit, and then came back to PUBG Mobile, and it was exactly where I left. And you can see that Injustice 2 is exactly at the same place as well. Let's go back to PUBG Mobile one more time, and it's here. So that's really nice. And as you can see, it's pretty smooth. No frame drops or lagging is happening. Graphics quality is good as well. It's not so great like other high-end smartphones, but it's pretty good. If you have a look on the character detail on the helmet and everything, so it's quite good. The reflection of the light, how it's moving on the helmet, the shadowing. If you have a look on the ground, you can see we are getting pretty good amount of details. So this is good for sure. So now let's go back from here and let's have a look on the battery status. So it's 71% from 74 after playing all of these games for like 10 minutes. And the battery temperature is 37, CPU is at 41. So even the temperature is not increased so much, and I'm not feeling something hot at all. So it's totally at natural temperature right now. So let's close all of these, and now let's play Call of Duty. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see by default low graphics quality is selected and the frame rate is medium. We cannot make any changes to the graphics quality. And if you watch my another video recently I did for Oppo Reno 2, that's a better smartphone when it comes to gaming, and for that high graphics quality and high frame rate was available, but not on Honor 9X. So this is the highest possible graphics setting available, and now let's play the game.
Free for all.
So the graphics quality seems pretty good, even though it's on low graphics quality. The frame rate is pretty smooth as well, even though it's on medium. The graphics quality seems pretty good considering it's on low graphics. The camera angles are changing pretty smoothly, no frame drop or lagging is happening.
Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Be advised, hostile predator missile inbound.
So you can see no frame drops, no lagging, and the gameplay is pretty nice as well. So I'm not a good player, as you can see here. So let's leave it right here and let's have a look on the battery status. So it's 69 and the temperature is 36. So once again, not much increased. CPU is at 43, but while holding the device in my hand, I can say that it's not hot at all. So let's close Call of Duty and now let's play Asphalt 9. So here in the game setting of Asphalt 9, you can see we have selected the high graphics quality. And now let's play the game a bit. The graphics quality is looking pretty good, especially if you have a look on the ground and all. So the graphics quality is good, no frame drops, or lagging is happening. You can see that the touch screen sensitivity is nice as well, and the sensors, the gyroscope is performing pretty good also. So it was pretty smooth while playing Asphalt 9 on Honor 9X. There was no frame drop, no lagging, and everything was quite smooth for sure. Graphics quality was good. It's not as great as you will find on high-end smartphones, but still it was pretty good with lots of details. And now let's play the last game for today, and that's Shadowgun Legends. So here, if you go to the settings, you can see that we have selected ultra high graphics quality and 60 FPS. And it's looking quite good. Lots of detail. If you have a look at the costume of the character, pretty good. 3D graphics rendering is nice as well. But yes, you can see that just a frame drop happened, and it's not so smooth as well. It's not lagging, but it's not smooth for sure, because we are playing this game on ultra high graphics quality and highest frame rate, 60 FPS. So let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be. So it's lagging. Now it's okay, not so smooth, but the graphics quality is so good. For example, if you have a look on the ground, you can see how nice it is, the reflection of the light and everything. Also, if you have a look on the wall, the rock, you can see how much detail is there on the cracks and everything. It's so nice. And once again, I would like to point it out, if you have a look on the plant and the leaves, you can see once again so much detail and everything. So this is so good. And let's play the game and let's see whether we are going to face any issue or not. It lagged a bit. Yes, once again it's lagging. Okay, so it's lagging a lot. You can see how it's at the time of explosion it got stuck, that frame. So the frame drops are happening for sure, and the device started getting warm in my hand. So here I am dead. As you can see that I was not able to play the game properly because of the lagging and frame drops. So let's go back from here.
Let's do this.
And let's go to the settings and change the graphics quality to auto, and FPS also auto. That's going to be 60 I think by default. Reset to default. And now let's play the game. It seems a bit better for sure. So yes, it's better now, as you can see. Less lagging, not lagging at all actually, but the frame rate is also reduced and the graphic quality is reduced as well. Earlier lots of detail was coming on the robots and the characters and the surroundings as well, but now it's reduced a lot.
Hey, here comes the goodies.
And also I'm having now issue in changing the camera angles because of the low frame rate. But the game is playable a lot now compared to what it was and how it was last time. So if you're going to play Shadowgun Legends on Honor 9X, then you will have to play it on the auto frame rate and auto graphics quality, then it will be playable. But if you play on high graphics quality or 60 FPS, then it's gonna be a bit tough for sure. So now let's go back from here and let's have a look on the temperature. So now it's 40. This is the maximum we got so far. Earlier it was maximum 37, now it's at 40 degrees Celsius. So you can see that the device is getting a bit warm. It was getting warm actually when it was on highest possible graphics setting on the ultra high graphics quality and 60 FPS, but once I changed, the temperature went down very quickly. So now it's not that warm. While holding the device in my hand, the sensation is not that warm. I can say battery temperature is 40 and the battery percentage is 65. So we started at 74. So after playing all of these high-end heavy graphics game for nearly like 30 minutes, battery percentage moved from 74 to 65. That's just 9%. So the battery performance seems good for sure, and the gaming performance seems good as well. It was able to play most of the high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible, obviously for the game itself. For example, for Call of Duty, we could not play on higher graphics setting. The maximum available was low. The maximum was HD for PUBG Mobile. On Shadowgun Legends, we tried to play on the ultra high graphics quality and 60 FPS, but it performed poorly, so we had to switch to auto. On Asphalt, it was pretty smooth. There was no frame drop, no lagging, and also on Injustice 2, it was good. So if you are a gamer, then you will be happy with the performance of the device considering its price and the device segment. Obviously, it's not going to be as good as the high-end flagship level smartphone, but still most of the high-end heavy graphics game you will be able to play on Honor 9X for sure. And as you have seen, the memory management is quite good, so you can do multitasking while playing games as well. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.